In this video, we'll take a look at how to sell in-store using Finqu POS. Finqu POS is a point-of-sale system that lets you sell your products face-to-face in a physical store, pop-up, or event, while keeping everything in sync with your online store. Products, stock, and sales are all managed in one place. Let's see how to set it up. First, open the top right corner menu in your Finqu admin and click Manage. To open a POS channel, click Order a new sales channel. Then choose Point of Sale and click Next. Now, give your POS channel a name. Choose which products you want to sell through this channel. Accept the terms and confirm. After that, your new POS channel will appear in the top right corner menu. From there, you can easily switch between your online store admin and your POS admin. To start selling in-store, install the Finqu POS app on any Android or iOS device. Once installed, you can log in and begin selling directly from your device. For more detailed instructions about setting up and using Finqu POS, visit Finqu's Help Center at help.finq.com. That's how you get started with selling in-store using Finqu POS.